2006 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning, front, keyless entry, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.